Hi, first grade. This is Mrs. Hobbs, and we're getting ready to do handwriting together. You'll need a space where you can stand up and have plenty of room around you because we'll be writing the letters in the air. And you'll also need a desk or a table where you can stand up straight or sit up straight while you write. Your table or desk should be a little bit taller than your elbows so that you can rest your arms on your writing area while you write. We don't want to do this activity laying down or sitting on the floor. Before we get started, you need to set up your writing supplies. You'll need your handwriting book, your pencil, your eraser, and your colors. If you need to pause this video to get that set up, go ahead and pause it and then push play when you're ready to begin. We'll be using the colors red, orange, yellow, green, blue, and purple, the rainbow colors. If you don't already have those colors set out on your table or desk, you can pause the video and get them set up now.
Okay, first grade, we are going to try writing the letter E today. We're going to start by making a big E in the air with our body and our arm. So in Letterland, letter E is Eddie Elephant. So Eddie Elephant has clever cat C in it. We're going to be making that shape, but we're going to add another motion to it. So I'm going to go back and review with clever cat C. So let's go back and make the C. Get your pencil hand up in the right corner. We're going to make the letter C. Curve around clever cat's face to begin, then gently tickle her under her chin. Okay, that was letter C. For the letter E, Ed, if you looked at the picture, he has a headband across his head. And we're going to draw the headband first, and then we're going to make the letter C. So the headband actually starts on the left side. If I'm right-handed, I need to cross my arm over like this to start. If I'm left-handed, I get to start with my left hand pointing this way. I'm right-handed, so I'm going to start with my right hand crossed. So Ed has a headband. We're going to go from left to right and zip across. Ready? Zoom, like that. Okay, do a headband. Let's try again. Point to the left. We're going to go straight across. Ed has a headband. Draw it, and then, now, we're going to go up and do the letter C. Stroke around his head and go down and his trunk to the end. Okay, we'll try that one more time. So we're going to start way over on the left side. Ed has a headband, draw it, and then go up. Stroke around his head, come down, and his trunk to the end. Now we're going to go back and trace it one more time, and we're going to say the eh sound as we make that motion with our body. So eh, I can feel that in my throat. It's a vowel, and it's a lower sound. Eh, eh. Practice using your lower voice when you make that sound. Ready? Eh. Okay, start on your left side. Ready? First, ready? Eh, 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 eh. Just like that. All right. If you feel like you know how to make that with your arm, you're ready to try writing it. So, I am going to start by reading the poem one more time. Put your finger on the word and follow me. Ed has a headband. Draw it and then stroke around his head and his trunk to the end. So here's Eddie Elephant. And I am going to start with the rainbow writing with the colors. So we'll start with red. So pick up your red, get it ready. I'm going to use my triangle grip as I use the red. We're going to be drawing it, not coloring it. So this is going to go quick. Start by putting a dot way back here by Eddie's ear next to his headband. That's going to be our starting point. So I'm going to start by drawing the headband. I'm going to go left to right, sweep it over, then go up and around, come down and touch the dot, keep going till you stop and lift up your color. Remember, we are writing, we're not coloring the picture. So this is very fast. You should have your crayon or marker off the paper now. Okay, And then put your red down, and next we'll get out orange. Get it into the writing grip. We're going to start at the dot. We're going to sweep across and go up and around. Ready? Ed has a headband, draw it, and then stroke around his head, come down, and his trunk to the end. Lift your color off. Set your color down. Now, pick up your yellow. Hold your yellow, get it into your pencil grip, your triangle grip. We're going to start at the dot. Ready? Zip across. Ed has a headband, draw it, and then you're going to come up, and we're actually making a C shape, just like yesterday. So it's a headband with a C. And then lift your color off. I did that all without lifting my color off the page. This is all one stroke, okay? Pick up your green. Put the green in your triangle grip. Get ready, start at the dot by the ear. Okay, we're gonna make that headband. Ready? Ed has a headband, draw it, and then go up, stroke around his head, come down, and his trunk to the end. Pick up your crayon or your color, set it down. Okay, now pick up your blue. Put your triangle grip on it. We're going to write the letter quickly. Start at the dot. Ready? Ed has a headband, draw it, and then stroke around his head and his trunk to the end and lift it off. And set it down. Okay? And last, let's pick up the purple. Get your triangle grip on it. Start at the dot. And this time I'm not going to say the poem, I'm going to say some other words, okay? Zip across, go up and around and down, and lift it off. We have finished the rainbow writing. We are ready to try it with our pencil. So now, get your pencil ready. I'm going to put my fingers down here on the rubber band to remind me to use my triangle pencil grip, my 3 fingers. And we're going to start at these black E's. Go ahead and put a dot on the left side of the E if you need to do that. That's always going to be our starting point. We're going to start by drawing the headband, so zip across and then stop, go up and touch the dotted line, come down through the dot, come down and touch the bottom line, and lift your pencil. Okay, come to the next one. We're starting right about here. And put a dot there if you need it. We're going to draw the headband first. Ready? Zip across. Ed has a headband, draw it, and then go up and touch the top. Come down through the dot, touch the bottom. Okay, go to the next one. Make a little dot. Zip across. Ed has a headband, draw it, and then go up to the top of the line. Stroke around his head, come down to his trunk, and touch the bottom line to the end. Okay, let's do the next one. Make sure you're always starting here with the headband first. We want to do this all without lifting our pencil. Okay, zip across, go up to the top, come down to the bottom, and lift your pencil. Let's go to the next one. We have a dot, zip across, go up to the top, come down through the dot, come down to the bottom and stop. And then we'll continue with the dotted E's. There's a starting dot. You can make it bigger if you like. Ready? We're going to start with the headband. Make the headband go up. Now we're just making the letter C. Come down. So we're making like a headband and go up and make the letter C like yesterday, like a clever cat. And stop. Okay, start here again. Draw the headband. Come up and make the clever cat letter C. Okay, draw your dot. Zip across to the right, come up to the top line, come down, and then the last one. Headband up to the top, down through the dot, and stop. Okay, we are ready to make 5 all by ourselves. We are doing exactly 5 so that if we need to fix them, we still have room to do some more practice if your teacher would like you to fix it or do some more. Now, this is where you have to put the dot on all by yourself. This is where you need to put the dot, not at the top, not at the bottom, but right in the middle of the paper. Put your dot, okay? We're gonna start with the headband and we're gonna go to the right. Ready? Draw the headband, zip. Ed has a headband, draw it, and then now go up to the top. Touch that dotted line, come down through the dot, come down and touch the bottom line and stop. My E is looking kind of funny, but I wanna make sure right now that it's starting in the middle with the headband and the top of it touches the dotted line, the bottom touches the bottom line, okay? Let's do one more like that, and then I'm going to challenge you and ask you to tell me if I did it correctly or not. Okay, put your dot in the middle. Okay, start with the headband. Ed has a headband. Draw it and then go up and touch the dotted line, come down through the dot, come down and touch the bottom line and curve up and stop. We're doing all of that without picking up the pencil. If you're picking up your pencil twice, that is a problem. So now
I'm going to show some mistakes. Don't write anything, just watch and give me a thumbs up or thumbs down if you think they're correct.
Tell me if I'm doing this one right. What do you think? Thumbs up or thumbs down? That one's actually a thumbs down because I did not start with the headband. I made a letter C and then I went back and added the headband at the end, and that made me pick up my pencil more than once. So I'm gonna do that one again. I'm gonna start with a dot. I'm gonna draw the headband, go up, touch the top, come down through the dot, come down and touch the bottom line, just like that. Okay, tell me now if I'm making this right. Thumbs up, correct. Thumbs down, I need to fix. What do you think about that one? That one is a thumbs down. I need to erase it and fix it because I made it way too big. It came down way down below the bottom line. So I'm gonna start with my dot in the middle, go over, go up and around. Okay, I'm gonna do one more. Don't write yet, watch me, and then give me a thumbs up or a thumbs down if you think it's correct or not. I'm gonna draw my headband, go up, go down. Okay, what do you think? Thumbs up for Mrs. Hobbs or thumbs down, I need to fix it. Looks like it's a thumbs down, it's way too big. I did the headband and I went up and around, but again, I made it way too big. Just like that. So, when you're done, yours should look similar to this. If you see anything you need to fix, erase it and fix it. And that is how we make a lowercase e.
You can now continue to work on the E phonics page if you like, but please do not go to the next handwriting letter until tomorrow, and we'll work on that together. Good job today.